Good day, today I will show you how to remove a new hijacker called Qone8.com. It goes bundled with desktop icons optimization software called Omega Plus, possibly some other software, and get installed in all browsers and hijacks homepage and search. As usual, I did a preliminary test with two programs called Spyhunter and Malwarebytes. Spyhunter finds a lot of stuff, 442 items, files, and registry keys, settings belonging to Omega Plus. And Malwarebytes found a bit less, several items, but possibly later it will add more stuff in the database. So you can use both this program to remove this hijacker, but I will show you a manual way of removing. First of all, go to your program list and uninstall Omega Plus. Uncheck keep configuration file in the system. This list is located on program and features and control panel, and make sure there's no other advertising software installed. Next thing you should do is close all your browsers and check browser icons on your desktop. Right click and choose properties on every icon of browser you use, and possibly you can find under the target field URL start.qone8.com or search.qone8.com added after the path to the executable. And this will open your icons every time, open your browsers every time on this page. After removing these on all icons of your browsers, or possibly use Firefox only, or Internet Explorer only, or maybe all three browsers. For this test I installed all three. And this will fix this issue, because that's really a sneaky way to open the page every time the browser opens. And after this, use Avast browser cleanup utility. It's free utility from Avast. I will give download link in the description. And after it will make a scan, use reset settings to default values feature in this utility to reset settings in all your browsers that you use. Let's check what changes were made in browsers after all these acts. Okay. Homepage is changed in Internet Explorer to Bing. We will check Internet options and delete temporary Internet files, accept passwords and settings to make sure adware files are gone from temporary files. Let's go to Manage Add-ons and Search Providers. We have Qone8 set by default. Let's set Bing by default, and Remove button appears. Click on it, and Qone8 is gone from Internet Explorer. Let's go to Firefox again, to the list of search engines. Remove Qone8. Go to Options and go to General, and restore your home page to default. Okay. One more thing you can do is check your Firefox configuration file. Go to About, :config. This is command that will open configuration file. And search settings related to Qone8, if there are any. In my case, none of them. And check search settings, possibly Google, all set to Google. Fine. That means Firefox will search in Google by default. Okay, and let's check finally Google Chrome browser. As you see, Firefox is crystal clean. In Google Chrome, go to Settings and make sure there's nothing extra installed under extensions, because sometimes there are extensions that reverse your settings back to Qone8 or something else. If there is nothing there, go to Settings, Search, and click on Manage Search Engines. You see Google set by default by Avast, but you can remove Qone8 from other search engines by clicking cross. Okay, already much better. And also you can do this for Firefox, I forgot it. Check add-ons, make sure there are no add-ons there. But we already cleaned Firefox. That's basically all the settings for browsers. You can use programs to remove leftover items to make sure your computer is clean of this adware. I will show manual way. This is searching for Amiga Plus on your hard drive and to search for settings connected to Qone8 or Amiga Plus in your registry editor. If you are not comfortable with the registry editor, please do not use it, because it needs a lot of caution to use. Nothing found for Qone8, and let's search for Amiga Plus. This program that spreads Qone8 and maybe related to it. Actually, those items are not essential to remove, but if you want, you can use it. Use Registrator to remove, or Spy Hunter, or Malwarebytes. Okay, here I just find keys that have Amiga Plus in the name of the key, and remove them step by step. To search for the next key after removing one, I use F3 button. Amiga Plus SSC. There is nothing in system that have Amiga Plus in its name, legal. That's why I can remove all these legal registry keys created by Amiga Plus application. Or I can just click one button in this program, because they found pretty much all files connected to Amiga Plus. Spy Hunter found like 4 times more files. That's why possibly particular to for this infection it works better. Using Avast browser or cleanup and Spy Hunter or Malwarebytes, you can pretty much clean every browser infection. Spy Hunter has active shields also. Well, that's it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next videos. Goodbye.